god. There's a zombie behind me. Heather, I'm going to hide behind a Comcast van. Repeat, I'm hiding behind a Comcast van. Visit me there.
Don't go by the compact truck. He's going. I'm trying to catch a bird.
I'm already there.
Zombie's heading the A away by the blue car.
Okay.
I see you.
I'm coming! My internet's getting laggy. Heather, it's time to swap screen. Wait. Okay. Zombie on the. Find out a way to get. Zombie, Heather, connect the walkie to your shirt.
No.
Yes.
No.
Fine. Okay, just make sure my screen is safe.
Zombie on the road. Zombie's turning around on the pool. Let's go.
You buy the compact truck? He's following me right now. He's going the A away. Your turn to swap. Okay. Guys, it's time to swap. Yeah. Swap.
I don't know where the Zombie's right there.
Oh my god, we're zoomed in, guys. I have to unzoom. Okay, we're unzoomed. Heather, you know that they don't actually know who that is.
Joey.
They don't know who Joey or Judah is. Oh yeah, I'm editing out this name, so yeah, sorry guys. I'm just doing it by the first letter of the name now.
But J and J. No, C and J. CJ. I see Zombie on the road. I see Zombie on the road.
Who is C and who is J?
Joey C. J's for Judah.
Okay.
J
Judah, C.
I
C is the zombie and J is a human.
Zombie right behind us.
Guys, report. I'm reporting to Heather. I'm going to hide behind a Comcast fan, okay? Repeat, I'm hiding behind a Comcast fan soon.
I told you right, it's over here.
I cannot hear you. You're too glitchy. I think your internet's wearing out.
I'm right next to you.
Oh, you're right next to me? Alright. There's lots of these here. Time to swap the screen. Alright. Okay. C is on the sidewalk.
Okay, got it.
Here's a whole view. Okay. We're right next to each other. C is on the scooter riding. I know. I think zombie's getting off. Zombie's going. Got it. It's time to swap. It is time to swap. Yes.
Got it.
Grab it.
Grabbing it. I don't want to drop it.
Okay, guys, you're with me now. Heather, I can't hear you. H, I cannot hear you.
Zombie's not.
Heather, you're Agent 8, I'm Agent K, the zombie is C, and the random person is J.
Go on channel 1.
Channel 1? Guys, I'm changing to channel 1. One.
And we are channel 1. Code.
Heather, I need to do something.
I am on channel.
Okay, you're on channel 1. I'm changing to channel 15. No, channel 17. Hi. I'll get away from you. The zombies are over here. Where's the zombie? What do you need help with? Change channels? I don't know how. Take the screen. No zombie. I think it's time to change, right? I can't get you to change channel. I'm just changing one. I can't change the channel. Oh, I'm changing my channel. What channel? Stay on 1. I'm going to 1. No zombies are out here. You're fine. You keep that. Okay. C is not out and J's not out. I think it's clear. I think it's clear. Clear.
It's clear. Repeat, it's clear.
What's your username? Okay, nobody's out here. No zombies. It's clear. Let's go see what my brother is doing. Wait. I'm going inside. I'm going in. I'm seeing what Joey's doing. This is like what Zombie C is doing. Girl, remember you can't say our names. So
Yes, right.
I'm editing it out though. What?
Back on time.
Because I have to figure out how to hold the screen real quick. I'm figuring out how to hold the screen. Repeat, I'm figuring out how to hold the screen.
Okay, make sure everything's right and clear and good.
Guys, I hope you can see well, because you have to.
I think,
Oh my god, it's hard. Guys, could you see? Can you see right now? For real, can you see right now? Okay, I think. Do you guys just see the pure sun? I think you see the pure sun. Sorry, guys. Oh my god, it's so hard. Pause the game. I'm pausing the game. Guys, I'm pausing the screen in the game. Okay, guys, I hope that's good. Sorry, guys, if you see pure sun. I'm going to meet Heather. Heather, go behind the Comcast fan.
Whoa, careful, Kaylin.
It's hard to carry you guys.
You probably shouldn't have the tablet.
I need to. Stomach zombie apocalypse video. I think it's time to change. Heather, I need you to come over here. Ricky, I need you to come over here.
Heather, I need you to come over here. Okay, I need you to come over here. Guys, sorry if that's weird. Something like. I'm gonna face it.
Haley, that is a very bad place for that to happen. Carpool. Yeah, against the wall or something.
Guys, I think Agent H left. I'm going to knock on her door real quick, okay? So just stay. Me?
Can I see? It's a little Stitch.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I got Agent H. Heather, Agent H, do you want to,
The yellow one is Stitch.
how about the paint? Do you want to make a painting video?
Star.
No. You don't want to make a painting video? You know what paint set, the paint color by number?
Yeah, I know that.
I'm painting
Let's do it together. Okay, bye guys.